she had a desk in the bedroom. My father got up early, so that didn't bother him. And it was always set up, ready to roll. It never got put away. And she, other than that, I think at night she was tired. She used to go to bed early, but she used to get up very early because she wanted to do her poem. And then if you said to her, if you talked to her at the wrong moment, that was no good because the stream was flowing and you don't interrupt a stream. And we learned to see where the ebbs were and where the flows were and kind of dynamically deal with that. Sometimes we had a forest at the back of our bungalow in the country. Sometimes she'd walk there and maybe have an experience, a creative moment, because there's something very dreamy about a forest. I love forests because it does kind of surround you. It's a very safe place, and my mother liked to do that. But we always walked separately, not together. She had her dream time. It's like you're dreaming while you're awake, and the consciousness of being awake gives you words to formulate what it is you have been thinking about. And if you look at all her poems, one of the things you observe is that there's a timeliness for everything, that it is reacting to the environment, it is reacting to people, it is reacting to some visual process that has attracted her.